Hello everyone, welcome to Court with Krissy. Here are 4 court shorts you probably didn't catch. And I'm kicking it off with an update from a previous court short where he obviously was on something, but on audio only. It only took him 2 days to get arrested. You're gonna like it. If you missed that appearance, link will be in the video as well as in the description. I hope you like it. Court with Krissy is now in session.
We're in room C now. Yes, there we can see you. Thank you.
Okay.
May I have your name, please?
Robert Gregory Challenger.
Good afternoon, Mr. Challenger. We are on the record in case number 25-5576FY. You're appearing for arraignment on a bench warrant. You're appearing with Ms. Mistely, the defense attorney, available through the Indigent Defense Counsel here to assist you. And Ms. Mistely, did you have opportunity to review the allegations on the bench warrant, nature of the same, with Mr. Challenger?
I did. And we also discussed his rights, but he wishes to waive those rights and will admit the bond violation of having a positive urine screen.
Could I ask what the positive was for? That was never told to me. Was it marijuana?
I don't know. I was not sent anything from the testing facility.
Okay.
I don't know if the magistrate may have that or not.
Okay. Here, hold on. We have positive for amphetamines, for fentanyl, for marijuana.
Wow. Okay.
So, Mr. Challenger, you have the right to a hearing. You have the right to have Ms. Claxton represent you at that hearing. So we just need to get on the record that you understand, you know that you have that right, and you're going to waive that right if you choose to admit the violation. So you understand that.
I choose to admit the violation and waive the right.
Okay. You will be remanded to jail until the time that the judge is able to accept your plea. So for right now, Mr. Challenger, so you are all set.
Thank you.
Good luck.
You're welcome.
I have Polito next.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Lido.
I'll put my hands on nobody. Soon you'll get the memo. You do not represent me, Janet Morris. You do not represent me. Be dismissed.
Hey,
That's not how this works. Be dismissed.
Mr. Polito.
I represent myself. I'm a U.S. citizen. I did nothing wrong. I have no criminal charges. You keep taking my death, lying about my whereabouts. Listen to me talk.
Okay. Okay. So, Mr. Polito, we are on the record in case number 25-5662SM. Sir, you're appearing for arraignment purposes this afternoon. In this case, you've been charged with use of a chemical inhalant. I can tell you that it is a, let me get there. On or about August 16th, 2025, that you did for the purpose of causing a condition of intoxication, euphoria, excitement, exhilaration, stupefaction, or dulling of the senses or nervous system, intentionally smell, inhale, drink, eat, or otherwise introduce a certain chemical agent, nitrous oxide, into your respiratory or circulatory system. It's a misdemeanor, carries a possible maximum penalty of 93 days in jail and or $100 fines plus court costs. I am going to appoint an attorney to assist you in this case. The attorney should be in touch with you by the middle of next week. The next step in the process is a pretrial conference, and in this case, the pretrial conference would be scheduled for October 30th. It would be at 9:30 a.m. In person here at the district court. I'm going to place you on a $5,000 10% bond with the condition that you may not use or possess any aerosol, any inhalants, nor use any substance that, any controlled substance, including marijuana. And so for right now, Mr. Polito, you are all set. We will get the information to the court-appointed attorney as quickly as possible. It will not be Mr. Lee. And so your pretrial conference will be on October 30th, and I appreciate your appearance today, and you're all set.
And I do believe Mr. Settles represents him in another pending matter.
Okay, thank you.
I don't know if he's doing misdemeanors. I don't think he is.
Right, I don't think he is, right. You're all set, Mr. Polito. You don't need to worry about it anymore, sir. You're all done here. Thank you. I think you said thank you.
Do you?
I think you did. And sir, oh, you'll need to unmute, please.
He was remanded. Was that correct?
Oh, no, I gave him a 10% bond.
Oh, and how much was that?
A 5,000, 10%.
Okay, thank you very much.
Yes.
And now we have Piggy. That's the last one.
Okay, we apologize to have to interrupt your lunch, Mr. White. Let's get your sentencing going here. On the record in the matter of the state of Michigan versus Archie White. And this is file number 24-02491, appearance please.
Jeffrey Bilbay on behalf of the people, Your Honor.
Georgia APD, covering for Mr. Milks, on behalf of Mr. Archie Lewis White, who's appearing via the jail polygon.
Okay, Mr. White was scheduled for sentencing really back in the winter, and then Mr. White didn't come back. So we're just now here for our sentencing today. I don't know that I have an updated report, even though someone put a sticky note, second time referral, Joe. I don't know why that doesn't trigger anything for probation. I don't know why. But nonetheless, my report is from February 25th, 2025. That's the report you got, Mr. Ahmed.
That's the one I'm working off of, Your Honor, and I believe
That is what the people have, Your Honor.
Okay. Can you provide any updates at this time?
the only thing I don't know, Your Honor, is the updated amount of jail that Mr. White has. Other than that, we discussed a little bit of everything in the file with the time that we had. The only change or addition that maybe could be added is that he claims that he's been sober for a long time now. Mr. White, how long have you been sober now?
Sober for years. I've been here since August because I did 30 days for child support, which was up on the 18th of September, but I had no bond because I was remanded to here until the 9th, which is today.
You're remanded because you didn't show up because you had a family death. Was that what it was?
Mm-hmm.
It wasn't a death, it's people shooting at my mother's house because of my nephews. It's shot in the house about 3 different occasions now. And it's still my fault. I missed the court date and I just didn't follow up on it. Been going through a lot of stuff. But I've been sober. I've been here since August 24th, and last year I did about 60 to 70 days already.
87 maybe.
Yeah, I recognize you did, but you know why you did all these days? Because you didn't come to court.
I know I missed the PSI thing. I don't know, I was confused with that, but I sat here another 29 days until I signed the PSI paper.
But that was your fault, though. You did this to yourself. You did this to yourself.
I can't complain. That's why I said, man, I gotta wait till August 9th.
Exactly.
I was like, you've been waiting, so I couldn't complain.
We've been looking for you since February.
Yeah. Then when I was picked up, they was letting me go. They was like, they took the handcuffs off, said, just go take care of it myself. But then I had a child support warrant, so I've been here ever since.
Man, well, hopefully you're getting all that taken care of. You're gonna get credit time served on this one. so you and I don't have to have a on standing date for your sentencing. That's resolved today. You can thank Mr. Anid for stepping in so that we didn't have to reset this, okay?
I appreciate that. I don't even
All
know
right.
who my lawyer is. I've
Mr.
never
Mills.
seen him.
You did see him. You just didn't see him today. And you haven't seen him since February because you haven't been to court.
No, they gave me, I had another lawyer. I just seen him on when I came here for the child support, I seen him the next day on the screen, the guy that's not here now. I don't know
I don't know
who he
anything
was.
about your
That
child support
wasn't
because that's not what we're here for. But I do know on this matter that your attorney has appeared before, okay?
I've seen the one on the case when it began, but it was a whole different guy. I seen him
Got
once on TV. I haven't
You
talked to
saw
him
him once on
about the case.
TV.
I see him on
Got
the same thing. I'm looking at those you guys that I'm not making it up. I just seen him about a month and a half ago, and I haven't talked to him since then. I don't even remember
All
what he
right.
looks like.
Well, hopefully you and Mr. Milks could connect at another time. I'm sure Mr. Nid will get the message to Mr. Milks that you were looking for him, okay?
Okay, so what's going on with me now?
I just gave you credit time served on this case, so you're done with this case, okay?
I'm free.
Well, hopefully.
Really?
I don't know what else you're being held on, so I can't speak. I can't say that you're to be released.
Thank you. Thank you. And I'm
You're
sorry
welcome.
for
No
not
problem.
showing up. This is the price you pay when you. It's been
You be
hell.
safe out there. You be safe out there,
will.
Mr. White. Make good decisions. All
Thank you.
right, bye.
New lawyer. Wow.
Courthouse case, People versus Tyler Meddy.
Good morning, Assistant Public Defender Lauren Kearney on behalf of Mr. Meddy.
He's not in Zoom right now, Your Honor, but he was.
I did speak with Mr. Meddy a few days ago. He advised me he had a scheduled meeting with his 15th District Court probation officer.
Hold on.
Oh.
I think he might be here. Mr. Meddy? You can unmute and just tell us your name.
I'm sorry, Tyler Meddy.
Thank you, sir. All right, go ahead.
Okay, well, I'm glad he's here.
Yeah, I had faith. I don't know about you, Karen. Go ahead.
So we did review the pre-sentence report. We don't have any material changes, additions, or deletions. We do ask that you adopt probation's recommendation. As I mentioned, Mr. Meddy is going to be supervised already in another, maybe multiple courts.
All right.
And Teresa Claire on behalf of probation. Judge, I would just like you to be aware, you know Mr. Meddy, he's been before this court multiple times. Mr. Meddy has had a history, and struggled with his addiction. I did reach out and speak with his PO where he is on probation at 14B. He has been doing excellent.
Really?
He's gone to inpatient treatment. He completed that successfully. He went to and stayed in transitional housing for a long period of time. He has maintained employment. So Mr. Meddy, I really think needs a hand of applause really for the length that he has been stayed clean. And given his horrendous past of the struggles that he's had with his addiction, he's doing really great.
All right. Thank you, Ms. Pallera. Mr. Meddy, anything you want to say to me?
Yes, there is. I just wanted to say 11/17 of 2024, you sent me to a treatment program. And honestly, I just want to thank you for that because my life has been a disaster before that. And I've never thought that I'd be where I'm at today. I'm truly grateful for everything that's going on. It's like my first time, report and actually getting a positive report about me. So it's truly a change to my life. I got all of my family back in my life. Everybody is so proud, and I never thought that I'd be here. And man, I just want to say thank you. In all honesty, that's pretty much it. Sums it up.
I'll say you're welcome, but I want to thank you because it gives me faith that if you can sort of trust an individual, go with what in my gut was telling me you're a good person that just needed a new start. Now I might have to pound it into you in some way, but if I can get you there, that you do the rest of the work.
Yes.
And so for that, I have to thank you because it gives me the faith and the courage to do what I do. So
I appreciate
it. But other than that, things are going well for you, huh?
Absolutely.
It is the other thing, Mr. Mehdi, it is just to hear you talk the way that you're talking is amazing to me because you always haven't had these we always haven't had these cordial conversations. Right?
I was girlfriend about
What'd you say?
I was actually just telling my girlfriend about that.
Yeah, but people didn't understand. I didn't hate you. You just had a way about you.
Man, I 100%.
I'll tell you what, I like this Tyler better than the other one.
Yeah.
Okay.
About it is my mom hates the fact that I have purple hair, but that's the only thing she's mad about, so I'm cool with that.
You know, I was wondering about that, and I was gonna say, I need to do something like that.
I think it looked good on you, Simpson. Your Honor.
Yeah, well, I got to get hair first, but we'll figure it out. All right.
Okay.
It's a sentence of the court. You had to pay $555 fines and court costs, $487 restitution to Lowe's payable through the court.
Okay.
How are you going to do that, young man?
I want to know if it was okay with you. So right now I am on probation for 14B. Payment plan that should be over next month. If I could pay two payments after next month, I'll pay half in November and half in December. Does that work?
That'll work for me. So I'll just do it this way. You're going to pay one half. What day in November?
Can we make it toward the end? I think my last payment is November 15th. So if I could pay half November 30th, that would be great.
Why don't we do it this way? I'm going to have a little bit of faith in you. Let's do the first half. I'll make due December 19th, 2025. And then the second half, I'll make due January 16th.
Okay, that works perfectly.
And Mr. Mehdi, please remember that the restitution has to be paid in cash.
I can't pay it online?
Not the restitution.
Not the restitution.
Okay. So I need to come into the office?
Yeah, you'll need to come in to get that paid. So if you're going to pay half, what I'd suggest doing is paying the $487, which is the restitution, in cash and get that to the court in person before the 19th of December. Okay. And then the other part you can pay online.
Can we do this then if it's not a problem? I live 2 hours away right now. So can I put the first half up and then pay in full on January 16th? That way I have one more trip to Ann Arbor.
Do what now?
I think he's asking to pay the restitution for the first half. Or
no.
Pay the online, the first half.
No, what I'm asking is I live 2 hours away. So I'm trying to see if I could just save the first half. Can I just pay in full on January 16th is what I'm asking.
That's a long time.
Okay.
The problem with that is what I really want you to do. I'm concerned about the court costs, but I need to get the restitution paid.
How much is the restitution?
It's 487.
Okay, I will pay that on December 19th. I will pay that in full on December 19th.
Okay, let's get that. That's why I'll give you the additional time instead of making it due in November. I'll give you the additional time, but I got to get that paid. Okay?
Yes, sir.
All right. And then I'll order 365 days in jail credit for the balance is suspended. Okay?
Thank you. Your Honor.
Good luck to you, Tyler.
Thank you.